Today, in this video we are going to talk about Canada Immigration New Update. We are going to talk about the IRCC Updates Processing Times tool to provide more accurate information. If you are interested in this topic, please watch till the end of this video for the latest immigration updates and news. Please like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. Let's get into the video. IRCC has unveiled major changes today as it seeks to be more transparent with its clients. On March 31st, Immigration Minister Sean Fraser announced major updates to the government's online processing times tool. Most permanent resident and citizenship services will now use dynamic processing times. New calculations will be posted weekly based on data from the previous 6 months. Dynamic processing times for temporary resident services are already in place, based on data from the past 8 or 16 weeks. The new processing time estimates will reflect the volumes of applications being processed, as well as the latest operational realities. They will allow future newcomers to make plans based on a more accurate timeline. This upgrade to the government website is part of IRCC's effort to modernize the immigration system. Before, the government website was only showing the service standard, which is IRCC's commitment to process applications under normal circumstances. This past January, Fraser had announced that these changes would be forthcoming in the months ahead. The difference between processing times and service standards. IRCC's processing times tell clients how long it took to process most complete applications in the past and are updated weekly. Service standards, on the other hand, are IRCC's commitments to process applications in a certain amount of time under normal circumstances. They are not updated regularly, and not all programs have service standards. IRCC reports annually on how actual processing times compared to service standards. How processing times are calculated. IRCC measures processing times based on how long it took to process 80% of the applications in the past. Processing times start the day IRCC receives a complete application and end when an immigration officer makes a decision on it. For those who apply by mail, the processing time starts when their complete application arrives in an IRCC mailroom. For those who apply online or in person, the processing time starts when they submit their application. What are IRCC's processing times right now? As of March 31st, processing times are the following. Economic Class Immigration. Express Entry Canadian Experience Class, CEC, 7 months. Express Entry Federal Skilled Worker Program, FSWP, 27 months. Express Entry Federal Skilled Trades Program, FSTP, 27 months. Express Entry Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, 22 months. Non-Express Entry Aligned PNP, 27 months. Quebec Skilled Worker Streams, 31 months. Federal Self-Employed Persons, 42 months. Atlantic Immigration Program, 14 months. Startup Visa, 31 months. Caregivers Pilots, no processing times available. Family Class Immigration. Spouse or common law partner living in Canada, 16 months. Spouse or common law partner living outside Canada, 19 months. Parents or grandparents, 32 months. Dependent child, varies by country. Adopted child or relative, varies by country. Refugees and humanitarian and compassionate H&C applicants. Government-assisted refugees, varies by country. Privately sponsored refugees, varies by country. Protected persons and convention refugees in Canada, 22 months. H&C cases, 16 months. Temporary residence application. Visitor visa outside Canada, varies by country. Visitor visa inside Canada, 16 days online and 48 days by paper. Visitor extension, 162 days online and 201 days by paper. Study permit outside Canada, 13 weeks. Study permit inside Canada, 9 weeks. Study permit extension, 75 days online and 156 days by paper. Work permit outside Canada, varies by country. Work permit inside Canada, initial application or extension, 133 days online and 239 days by paper. International experience Canada, varies by country. Electronic travel authorization, 5 minutes. Citizenship. Citizenship grant, 27 months. Citizenship certificate, proof of citizenship, 17 months. Resumption of citizenship, 23 months. Renunciation of citizenship, 15 months. A search of citizenship record, 15 months. Adoption, 11 months for Part 1, Part 2 varies on complexity. Permanent resident cards. Renewing or replacing a PR card, 108 days. Waiting for first card, 103 days. Replacing or amending documents, verifying the status. Verification of status, 26 weeks. Replacement of valid temporary resident documents, 22 weeks. Amendments of immigration documents, 47 weeks. Amendments of valid temporary resident documents, 27 weeks. IRCC's latest inventory. IRCC has struggled to manage its inventory and stick to its service standards due to challenges caused by the pandemic. The latest data shows the department's inventory stands at 1.84 million people awaiting processing. The data suggests IRCC is making progress in some areas, such as with Express Entry CEC and FSWP applicants, but continues to struggle in other areas, such as processing citizenship applications. Hopefully the details and information is presented in this video is helpful. Canada Immigration News Channel will be releasing a new video when new information is available on any of these updates or requirements. If you have not subscribed, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on that notifications bell icon. See you sooner in next new immigration video. Okay, BYY.